Another nice benefit of changing your object columns to categorical is the speeding up of many of the operations. I'm going to show some of these here. So here is the comparison operator. I'm going to compare each value of department to police. This is the original. This is the categorical column. All this is doing is just assigning it to some variables. So I don't have any output over here. Just to show you what would happen if this wasn't here, it actually shows the output. So I'm just using this underscore as a variable name and an assignment statement to assign the result. I just don't want to see any output over here. Okay, so this took 3.2 milliseconds. If I look over here, the department column cat took 1.6 milliseconds. So that's nice, a nice speed up over here. This is the same thing as checking whether the codes is equal to 7. So it should be a very similar time like that. All right. It also speeds up sorting because you're just sorting those unique values one time. So here is the original, and then here is the updated. So you can see here is 18 milliseconds versus 5. So a nice speed up over there. Here's counting the values. So it does, basically almost every operation should be faster just because of the way it's stored, right? It's stored as integers, and this array of integers underneath should be much faster than this array of objects that NumPy uses. Okay, so just a smaller speed up over here, but this could be because I'm recording live video. But regardless, you still should get some nice speed ups if you are using the categorical and not just the regular department column, or just not the regular object column. And the speeding up should increase as you have more and more data. So this is a relatively small data set, only 24,000 values, but if you had several million values, you can see that the speed up could be quite substantial with those.